So guys, we have a SB210 thermocooling unit that has a multiple alarm. So we just power up the unit. So we will see two kinds of alarm. The first alarm is alarm 10, that is high discharge pressure, that we try to clear it but it's not clearable. Then there's another alarm also, it's alarm 84. It said restart null. We try to clear it but the same, we are not successful to clear it. We clean also the condenser just to see if it will solve the problem, but it's not. So next step guys, we're gonna remove the terminal connection of the high pressure switch. So we're gonna test the terminal leads of this high pressure switch. Normally this should be in closed circuit. So guys, we're gonna use a multimeter set in a continuity test. So first we're gonna short the test prod to see if it's working properly. We should hear a beeping sound if we put the test prod in the terminal pins of the high pressure switch. In this case, there's no beeping sound, so it's an open circuit. Next step guys, we're gonna put a gauge manifold to the discharge line of the compressor just to see what's the existing pressure in this discharge header. The cutout of high pressure switch should be at 470 psi. We just open the service valve guys, then notice the pressure is only 65 psi. So it's clearly the high pressure switch is defective. So guys, we have a brand new high pressure switch, then we're gonna test the continuity of it also. So it's make beeping sounds, so it means this one is good. So we're gonna set the multimeter in ohms, then you're gonna see it has a reading. So it means this is a very good condition. So we put also the suction side, then isolate both suction and discharge line in preparation of the vacuum. We already put the new high pressure switch guys, then the compressors also done the vacuum. So next step, we're gonna open the suction line and the discharge line. Guys, be sure to connect the terminal connector of the high pressure switch. So right now guys, both of the high pressure and low pressure side is open, and you can see the pressure is equalized. So we're gonna start the unit already. So in the alarm menu guys, you're gonna notice it's only one alarm right now. The alarm 84 is gone. Then also we can clear the alarm 10 already. So suction pressure went down and the high pressure went up. So gradually it gonna normalize its pressure. So that's all guys. The only problem is the high pressure switch. Please subscribe and follow my page. Thank you.